Hello everyone, I'm Lonnie, and I'm back to share some delicious food with you. Today, we're making yam and pork rib soup. Without further ado, let's get started. First, cut the Chinese yam into irregular chunks, which creates an appealing shape and helps it absorb the soup's flavors better. Next, slice the ginger to add a warm aroma to the soup. Then, cut the pork ribs into appropriately sized pieces. Fill a pot with water and add the pork ribs along with the cooking wine. Bring it to a boil to blanch the ribs, then remove them to eliminate any odors and impurities. Refill the pot with fresh water and add the ginger slices and pork ribs. Once the water boils, skim off any foam to keep the soup clear. Add the Chinese yam chunks, cover the pot, and let everything simmer gently. Once the ingredients are thoroughly cooked, season with salt. Sprinkle chopped green onions for a pop of color and a refreshing taste. Your delicious Chinese yam and pork rib soup is now ready to serve. Friends, you must try our yam and pork rib soup. If you like this video, don't forget to let me know. If you find it helpful, please like and share. Thank you all for watching. Until next time.